Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 Chief Meteorologist Mark Schnackenberg. National Weather Service issuing a winter weather advisory for tonight, ending early first thing tomorrow morning. From Cedar Rapids northward, probably see a couple of inches of snow out of the storm system and making the roads a bit slick here. So threat tracker showing some hazardous conditions, a potential here from come late tonight, very early tomorrow morning. It's going to be a slushy, wet snow as the rain and snow in the morning changes over to all rain. And then it's just going to be a cold rain throughout a good part of the day tomorrow, and it will be a bit breezy. Then that rain continues overnight and into the day on Wednesday as temperatures remain in the middle to upper 30s, and eventually that rain tapers off as we get into the afternoon hours. So here's the timing of the rain. Notice the temperatures. These are in the 20s and low 30s here at 9 o'clock. Most of the moisture still off to the south and west. It'll spread to the north and east. The leading edge will be in the form of some snow, as temperatures will be in the upper 20s, some lower 30s, changing over to a little bit of rain, a very cold rain. As we head through the overnight hours into the morning, come first thing tomorrow morning, as the sun comes up, that rain is going to be changing over to some snow. Temperatures are going to be in the lower 30s. There'll be that rain-snow mix, and then eventually over to all rain. At this point, there should be about 1 to 2, maybe up to 3 or 4 inches of snow in portions of eastern Iowa in that winter weather advisory. So the morning commute could be a bit slick, but it's just going to be real sloppy out there with the rain falling and temperatures near freezing. As we head closer to lunchtime, temperatures get into the middle to upper 30s now, and we'll see the snow change over to all rain. There may be an occasional snowflake in our northern counties, but for the most part, it's all going to be rain as we get towards lunchtime and in throughout the afternoon hours as well. Temperatures will be in the 30s and some low 40s. Rain continues here for tomorrow night and into the day on Wednesday as temperatures remain above the freezing mark, and eventually this all tapers off. Now, snowfall amounts, again, by first thing tomorrow morning as the sun comes up, about 2 inches, maybe as much as 3 or 4 across our northern counties. Farther to the south, trace to maybe an inch or 2, but that gets closer to portions of Lynn County there and Johnson County line. Now, as for the rain out of this storm system, it's going to be pretty wet. So after the snow passes by, some of this is going to be in the form of some of the snow, some of the moisture, but a lot of this is going to be just the rain. So there could be an inch or 2 of rain across our southern counties. Rainfall amounts could be a little bit lighter, but a lot of that moisture goes into some of that snow here for the overnight hours. So if you wring out some of that snow and melt it, and you put all that rain together, we could see about 1 to 2 inches of liquid there. Now, your hour-by-hour forecast showing the increasing chances for precipitation as we get closer to midnight, and temperatures in the upper 20s and lower 30s. As you see, the overnight lows will be right there with the snow moving on into the region. The wind out of the south at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. Now, during the morning tomorrow, rain and snow will change over to rain, and then it's just rain during the afternoon hours. It'll be a breezy day as well. Wind out of the southeast at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. Temperatures in the 30s and some low 40s, but that won't occur until probably late afternoon or evening hours. And then the rain continues Tuesday night into the day on Wednesday. Temperatures still chilly. And then finally for Thanksgiving, it'll dry out and a little bit warmer with temperatures in the 40s, close to 50 degrees, but generally in the 40s. 40s here for Friday and Saturday with more sunshine back in the picture. A slight chance for a rain or snow shower on Sunday. And then next week, it's going to get even colder. Several days with highs in the 30s and lows in the teens and 20s.